Dear student, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Dear student, welcome to my online class. Class schedule, class 10, subject English second paper. Dear student, look at the picture and think about that. There are three pictures. It is a picture of a player. Second one is also, but second was is bigger than first one, and it also biggest. Now, can you guess what are we going to discuss? Yes, we are going to discuss about degree of comparison. It's a camel is a small size and it is also bigger from first one. It's also biggest from first and second. Now, learning outcomes. After these lessons, the students or you will be able to identify degree, that means what is degree, and fill up the blanks with appropriate adjectives. Finally, compare with positive, comparative, and superlative degrees by making sentence. Now, definition of degree. We have to know. I, I asked you, do you know what is called degree of comparison? Then definition of a degree of comparison: to compare between person to person or material with material according to their parts, qualities, conditions. Adjectives changes its form. The percentage of its variation and transformation is called degree of comparison. Okay. Now, degree of comparison are three kinds. What are they? They are positive degree, such as tall, good, small, and beautiful. Second, comparative degree: taller, better, smaller, and more beautiful. Third, or three, superlative degree: tallest, best, smallest, most beautiful. Then, the first of all, it is positive degree. Then second one, smaller, taller, smaller, better, beautiful, is called comparative degree. Tallest, best, smallest, and most beautiful is called superlative degree. Then, what is positive degree? Positive degree: when adjective is not used to compare, only is used to show one nouns or materials fault and quality, is called positive degree. Here is an example. It's balance because there is no compare. All are same. Both of two same. Second, comparative degree: when adjective is used to compare between two nouns or to materials according to their faults, qualities and conditions is called comparative degree. Finally, superlative degree. When adjective is used among nouns and to compare them, it is called superlative degree. Here is three apples. One is qualityful from others. Now, a structure of positive degree. A. At first, we have to use subject, then we have to use verb, then adjective and object, such as Rana is a dash boy. We can say Rana is a, from this picture we can say Rana is a strong boy. Okay. Another structure of positive degree, like at first we have to use noun or noun phrase or pronoun, then we have to use verb, and then as adjective form, then as finally noun phrase or noun oblique pronoun. From this picture we can say lion is as ferocious as tiger. That means there is no compare. Lion is ferocious animal, tiger is also ferocious animal. Okay. Then another structure also, positive degree with negative sentence. At first we have to use noun or noun phrase or pronoun, then verb with negative form, and we have to use as before adjective, and after adjective we have to also use as. Finally, noun phrase or noun equivalent. From the two picture we can say Rahat is not as or so good as Ronnie. Okay. Now, a structure of positive degree. At first we have to use subject, then verb. After subject we have to use verb, then adjective form with er, then and subject. We have to remember that when Latin words such as senior, junior, major, minor, prefer, etc., etc., if one of them is used, then comparative form instead of then we have to use to. That means অর্থাৎ যখন এই শব্দগুলো আসবে এই শব্দের পরে দেন, এরপরে দেন না হয়ে টু হবে, এটা মনে রাখতে হবে। যেমন এখানে একটা एग्जांपल দেওয়া আছে, হর্স রানস ফাস্টার দ্যান জেব্রা। Finally, a structure of positive degree. Superlative degree. Subject, verb with the article the, and adjective with est plus of oblique in plus subject, such as Himalaya or Himalayas is the tallest mountain. এখানে দি এর পরে est ফর্ম অর্থাৎ সুপারলেটিভ ফর্ম বসানো হয়েছে। Above this discussion you will work such individual work. This is individual work for you. Here I mentioned group work. Then it is time of corona pandemic, so we can't say group work. It is individual word. You will fill in the gaps. The Jamuna is dash river, is the dash river in our country. B. No other city is as dash as Dhaka. Lily is not as so is not so dash as Shaila. Here missing as you will use as. Then Makkah is the dash place of Muslims. Finally, Nafis is dash than any other boy. F. Computer is the dash important thing. G. E is dash to me. He is dash to me. H. Nila is dash than Mila. I. Humayun Ahmed is the dash writer. They. Fox is dash than any other animal. You will use correct words with this. Fill in the gaps. Then some rules. Rules of forming comparative and superlative from positive degree. Rules. Rule 1. For one syllable, adjective er or est will be added as for comparative and superlative degree. অর্থাৎ সুপারলেটিভ কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রি শেষে আমরা সাধারণত er ব্যবহার যোগ করে থাকি এবং সুপারলেটিভের শেষে আমরা est যোগ করে সুপারলেটিভ করতে পারি, such as high building, higher building, and it is also highest building. আমরা এভাবে ব্যবহার করব. Another rules. If the last letter of an adjective is consonant, অর্থাৎ কোনো অ্যাডজেক্টিভের শেষে যদি কনসোনেন্ট থাকে and before it there has a single vowel এবং তার আগে যদি একটি ভাওয়েল থাকে, then consonant will be double, অর্থাৎ সেই শেষের কনসোনেন্টটি তৃতীয় ডাবল হবে. ডাবল করে কি করতে হবে? er এবং est যোগ করে কম্পারেটিভ এবং সুপারলেটিভ করতে হবে. যেমন বিগ, এটি পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি, যেহেতু শেষে কনসোনেন্ট আছে তার আগে একটি ভাওয়েল আছে, তাহলে আমরা কম্পারেটিভ করার সময় ওই জিকে ডাবল করেছি, বিগার করেছি, এবং সুপারলেটিভ করার সময় জিকেও ডাবল করেছি আর কি. বুঝতে পেরেছ? আচ্ছা, রুলস 3. If the last letter of an adjective is y, then before y there has a consonant. In that case, instead of y, I will be introduced, then er, est as for comparative and superlative degree. অর্থাৎ কোন অ্যাডজেক্টিভের শেষে যদি y থাকে, y এর পূর্বে যদি একটি কনসোনেন্ট থাকে, তাহলে ওয়াইটে আই পরিবর্তিত করে er এবং est যোগ করে কি করতে হবে? পজিটিভ, কম্পারেটিভ এবং সুপারলেটিভ করতে হবে. From this picture we can say this is healthy man. Why? The last letter is y. Then healthier, y এখানে আই হয়ে গেছে এবং er যোগ করে কম্পারেটিভ করা হয়েছে. এখানে y আই হয়ে গেছে এবং est যোগ করে সুপারলেটিভ করা হয়েছে. এরকম একটা এক্সাম্পল আমরা দেখতে পারি. Then rules 5. If the adjective word is constructed with 2 or more syllable, অর্থাৎ 2টার অধিক যদি সিলেবল কোনো সেন্টেন্স বা কোনো ওয়ার্ডে বা কোনো অ্যাডজেক্টিভে থাকে, তাহলে সেই অ্যাডজেক্টিভটাকে আমরা যদি কম্পারেটিভ এবং সুপারলেটিভ ফর্মে করতে চাই, তাহলে আমাদের মোর এবং মোস্ট ব্যবহার করতে হবে. In that case more and most will be added before adjectives as for comparative and superlative degree. যেমন বিউটিফুল, বিউটিফুল, এখানে খেয়াল রাখতে হবে ডাবল সিলেবলের কথা বলা হয়েছে, এই জন্য এখানে মোর বিউটিফুল ফ্লাওয়ার, মোস্ট বিউটিফুল ফ্লাওয়ার. সাম অ্যাডজেক্টিভস ফলো নো রুলস, কিছু কিছু অ্যাডজেক্টিভের কোনো কি হয় না, যেমন মেনি, এগুলো আলাদা আলাদা এভাবে মুখস্থ করতে হবে. মেনি, মোর এবং মোস্ট. ক্লিয়ার? Now You will do some tasks at your home when you will get time. What is the structure of the comparative degree? Then make comparative and superlative degree with the following adjectives: cold, hot, intelligent, bad, happy, important, good, comfortable, old, and grey. Then homework for you. Use each of the following adjectives as a positive, comparative, and superlative degree in the sentence: small, young, brave, mass, and difficult. Thank you to all to join my class. Allah Hafiz. Practice makes a man perfect.